Hey guys, Tony here. It does look like LossLess is breaking out of its symmetrical triangle. We can see here, right, ever since we had these peak highs of like 275-ish back on October 19th, which was a couple days ago, right? So not too long ago, really. It's been trending on a symmetrical triangle ever since then. On the 1 hour, it actually already broke it. You actually already you're gonna close above the symmetrical triangle in about 12 minutes bullish, which I think is super fantastic. And on the 4 hour, you are gonna be closing bullish in again 12 minutes. Um, and you're going to be closing above, not you're not going to be closing above it, but you're going to be closing over that symmetrical triangle, right? And it does look like we are going to keep moving to the upside. I think if we do run, or sorry, if we do close above this on the hour, remember last time when I made the last tier, we were right here, and I told you guys if we do not break this, I think we're going to 220, which is exactly what we did, right? 225. And I told you guys we're going to either between 225 or 230, and that's exactly what happened. We ran all the way up to 225-ish, came right back down, stayed on that symmetrical triangle, and now we're actually breaking to the upside. So I think if we actually manage to close the full hour candle above this, I do think we're well on our way headed back to 260, especially because the 4 hour is going to close bullish as well over that top channel of the descending triangle. So I'll see you guys later. Definitely bullish right now on lossless. The only thing that I can actually see happening right now is, again, in 11 12 minutes it has to close above this level. So we can either, what can happen is you either run to the upside by a lot, or you possibly run like here, possibly come back down to retest, and then you run to the upside, right? I think the more probable scenario is that you're actually just going to run to 260. It seems like it has a lot of bullish traction right now, so I think the more probable scenario is that you run to the upside, is instead of possibly running, retesting, and going up, or just kind of trading sideways and then going up. So I think I'm pretty bullish on lossless overall right now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.